it's Michael with Redesigned. We got a couple cool things to show off today. We have our V3 Bruin camper. This is a Bruin Pro sitting on a 5-foot Toyota Tacoma. We're gonna go into all the features that make the new V3 Bruin tent walls and what makes them so cool, as well as the base, which is the Pro model, which tons of windows, tons of walls, lots of cool things for us to check out today. When we were designing the V3 Bruin, we wanted to make something in a class of its own. We took everything that people loved about our best-selling Bruin, and we made it infinitely more DIY friendly. We made a better product with a cleaner exterior, but we kept the functionality of the hard walls, the queen size bed, the amount of room inside, the airflow, the light, and we made 3 key upgrades. The first being the enclosure is now completely fabric. Second, we increased the number of windows. And third, our hard walls are now removable. The fabric enclosure on the V3 Bruin is durable, weather resistant, and marine grade. This is the same material that we've been using on our Tenfold for years. We love it, and we're so excited to be able to incorporate it into our Bruin model. We increased the number of windows on our tent from 4 to 6, leading to better ventilation, better climate control, and more sunlight. We also made the hard wall panels removable. This is great for 2 reasons. The first being customization. Now you can completely remove the panels, wrap them, paint them, do whatever you need to do to them on a work surface outside of the tent. And when it's ready, you just put it right back in. The same principle applies for if you need to service the tent. If you need to repair or replace those hard walls, you do the same exact thing. The V3 took everything that people love about the Bruin and upgraded it. People love the hard walls, so we made them removable. People loved the windows, so we added more. We also made the screens completely removable. And people loved the exterior, so we put it in a cleaner, more modern package. So as always, our Bruin tent's very easy to pop up and pop down. You just get it about halfway. Those front struts catch, it takes you the rest of the way. The only thing you need to do is undo these 4 latches before then, and the Bruin's all ready to go. So the Pro model is our highest level trim package. The trim packages are essentially the decisions you need to make early on in your build. These different trim packages include essentially the walls and windows that go onto the base of your camper. The Pro includes 5 windows, 2 pop-out walls, barn doors, max air fan, and the mattress. Starting from the top, the max air fan goes on the roof of your camper. It is a push-pull, so that means that you can either push air in, pull air out. It has up to 900 cubic feet a minute. That means that if you're pulling air out, you can effectively refresh all of the air inside your camper multiple times a minute. The mattress is a 4-inch memory foam mattress that's very comfortable, but still allows you to leave all of your bedding in place while the camper is collapsed down. The pop-out walls are on either side of the camper. They have keyed locks and open to 90 degrees, allowing you to reach in and make full access of your camper and your truck bed. There are 5 windows on the Pro model. The first one is on the cab side. That has a center slide as well as a fold-down mechanism that's really great for visibility and for functionality. The passenger and driver side have a slider window that is incorporated into the pop-out wall. And the barn doors have 2 windows on each one. Best for last, the barn doors. These are by far our favorite feature and the one we hear most people love. They are completely removable. They open up and have the ability to let you stand on your tailgate and open and close the camper without having to get off the tailgate, open up a pop-up, and crawl back in. They'll save your back. They're extremely functional. And they're also completely removable, so you can put the doors at home in the back of your truck. You can haul bikes, you can haul surfboards, and it has 50 inches of space, so you can actually get a full sheet of plywood in the back of your truck. We've also added some accessories to this camper. The first being the third brake light. This allows you to signal people behind you who can't necessarily see the brake light that's supposed to be on the top of your cab. The second feature that we added are the gear panel cubbies. These sit about 4 inches inside of your pop-out wall. They allow you to get all of your essential gear off the bed of your truck and have quick access to it just by opening up your pop-out wall. You can attach things to the inside or the outside, and you still have access to the bed of your truck. This allows you to reach in and reach the front of the bed of your truck. You can also put them on the front, or you can get 2 and completely close off your pop-out wall area. As for the sleep system, it has a queen-size sleep platform. This allows you to use all your standard bedding from home, have tons of comfort and tons of room. You can also flip up the mattress into what we call couch mode. This moves the entire panel out of the way, allowing you to sit on the higher level and get 5 feet of full vertical access. You can also just push the mattress up to the front if you just want to load up your camper or just hanging out in the bed of your truck. The V3 Bruin tent has a lot of amazing features, but most importantly, it succeeds where it needs to. It creates a comfortable, safe sleep environment for you and your family that goes wherever you go. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell notification icon so you don't miss any of the future things that are coming out from Oru. And as always, we'll see you in the next video.